Well, I've been telling Ashley for, I don't know, a year and a half now about this place. They updated, which kind of upsets me. But they have the best burger in the world. It's called The Tub. We're going in. Today's been a fun day. I'll tell you more about it. But Ashley's gonna try these burgers and she's gonna love them. But this place is sick. There's toilets and tubs everywhere. Oh, we're so YouTubers. Well, today we got our passports, which was fantastic. We woke up at 4 a.m., drove from Fort Pierce all the way down to a fly just flew straight into my face. We drove all the way to Miami, and we had an appointment to get our same-day passport, which was super easy and super nice. And actually was way smoother than it was last time. We literally walked in and got straight up to the window immediately, so that was great. And then after that, we took a nap, and then we came back and picked up our passports. And we went and we had the plan to go see my dad, which is suffering from Alzheimer's for the past 8 years, I would say. And so he's in a nursing home here in Florida, and I really don't get the chance to be here at all or like see him. We got nowhere really to stay, but we are down here, and so we made the trip to go and see him. Yeah, he's it was really nice to see him. Ashley actually got him to talk a little bit, and what happened was he had Alzheimer's and then also must have had a stroke in the hospital, so he can't walk, he can barely talk, he doesn't really even make sentences or like communicate properly whatsoever, but he did like light up when he saw it. He always wanted to, so he had this dream that he would always tell about when I was a kid. He would always talk to me about it, how he wanted to get a catamaran and sail through the Caribbean. And he was the one who actually put me into sailing school when I was younger, and did my races with me when I was younger. And so I bought my first sailboat with like the money I saved from just like Christmas gifts and stuff from the rest of the family and him. And I bought my first sailboat with it when I was like in the 5th grade. And I would take him out and go sailing. And he had no idea how to sail and still never really figured it out. But I would try to teach him, and we'd go have a good time. And it's just like kind of like part of the whole reason. Oh wow, that's a nice salad right there. That's great. And so it's like part of the reasoning as well as like that it's my dream to sail the world. I bestowed this dream onto Ashley as well. And so it's really nice that we are going to be doing this, and we're doing it in his honor and his name, and it's going to be amazing. But yeah, we were sitting in this exact spot the last time I was down here, and we ate at the restaurant together before all of this really progressed into what it is now. So yeah, I mean, it's a beautiful spot. There's tarpon there's literally tarpon all through these waters right here, and they'll occasionally throw some shrimps into the water, and these massive tarpon come up and scoop up these shrimps. There used to be like lights in the water. I don't know if the lights are still there or not. They'll probably turn them on. Oh, he did say when we were there, he said, we told him we bought a sailboat and we were gonna go see the world, and like showing him the videos, and he can't really like see all too well. He's not really focused on it, but he got that, and he was like, "Y'all go enjoy it," and it literally made me cry. So it literally hit me so hard. But it's really cool, and yeah. Here we are at the top, and this is one of our favorite restaurants, which is super cool. All right, moment of truth. Is it still as good as it always has been?
Is it the best burger in the world?
Oh yeah. It's just the best burger
In the world.
in the world. Get away from the fly. It doesn't even
Katie's really making. This is Katie, by the way.
My name is Catherine.
Yeah, don't call me that.
Ashley ate the whole burger.
I have the meat sweats.
All right, we in? We're recording. All right, we picked up this fucking flatbed truck. No cursing. We picked up this flatbed truck, and Home Depot. We got 75 minutes to load up this dinghy, get it in the water, take it for a spin, get it back there. We got 30 minutes there and back on the road, and we got a little bit of time to take her for a quick spin, make sure we can get her up on plane, and then get this truck right back.
That way we only spend $20.
$20.
That's how you do it on a budget.
If not, we're gonna spend like 120. So we're hauling ass. It's a big truck.
Let's go get a dinghy.
We're going to get our dinghy. This dinghy's on some davits, and we gotta lower it. We're gonna back the truck up to the boat, the Sky's boat. Andrew from Colorado. Shout out Andrew from Colorado. Thank you for the dinghy. And we're gonna back it up. We're gonna lower it off the davits straight into the bed. I would like to be able to do it where the motor's hanging out the back, but that's not gonna happen. The motor's gonna be the other way. But actually, I'll make it easier for launching it. So that's good news. But she's gonna be heavy. And we got 2 of us, and maybe we could pillage someone along the way to drop it in the water. If not, Ash is putting her big girl pants on, and we're gonna freaking lift that thing in there and put her down. It's gonna be heavy. 200 pounds. 250 pounds.
You got 175 of it, right?
Yeah, I could definitely squat like 350, so I think we're good.
I got the other 25 for sure.
Yeah, because that's math.
175 is you.
I can squat the whole thing.
No.
I'll put it on my back. Easy.
I thought you said it was like 200 pounds.
Yeah, I know, and I can squat 350.
Oh, so you're good.
I got
You don't
this.
even need help.
No. Why are you in this car?
Well, someone's got to drive.
Camera lady. We should have filmed that whole thing of blowing it down in the truck, but you know what? We're on a time schedule, so we decided that we best believe that we're going to put that thing right in the truck and get on going. So we got that right in the back right now. Check it out. Beautiful AB dinghy, 9.9 horsepower engine, and outboard engine. Motor, I guess. Yeah, it's a brand new 2-stroke. And got a screaming deal on it. One of these things brand new is $3,500. For just the boat itself, it's $3,500. Brand new. And this thing's brand new dinghy was bought last winter in the Bahamas. So half a season on it. And yeah, the motor's same time. Would have cost us probably about $5,500 before tax. About $6,200, $6,300 after tax. And we got it for $4,000. So pretty damn good deal. And we're gonna go over to the boatyard now, and we're gonna drop her in, or not boat ramp right now, and then drop her in and give her a quick test spin. Hopefully all goes good, and we don't have to bring it back to that yard and put it back on the davits. We're good to go. We're out of here. So got the dinghy in the water, and now we're realizing we don't have the key. So just dropped off the pickup truck. Didn't make the 75 minutes. Did do pretty good though, but only $60 for the whole time, so that's not bad. And now I gotta go back to that boat where we took the dinghy from and get in there and try to find the key, which is hopefully in the nav station, and then go save Ashley from the dying heat. So hopefully I do that really fast and I find that key super fast. All the meanwhile, my phone's dying and I don't got a charger in this car, of course. So Ashley's gonna be baking for a second, and hopefully I find that key and then we don't have to switch places. Because if I can't find it, then she's gonna have to go in this car and talk to the guy, or I take her phone or something. I gotta get her out of the heat, so she'll probably take the car and then go and find that key. Hopefully I just find it though. Alright, bye-bye. Goes good with the sailboat. Now I just need some fishing rods. So you just bring it around the end. You don't have to tie it all the way. It's too tight. Alright, bring that rope inside the boat. The end of it's gonna be there. Just hold on to it so it doesn't go back into the water.
I got it.
And then just all that end.
Which part?
Alright, we're going in. So before you shift it, you bring it down. Are we filming?
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. Alright, let's go.
Sound good too?
Going for a spin. Little dinghy. That's cute. Woohoo! She's got a little power to it. We don't have life jackets, so it's kind of illegal, but whatever. I don't think they'll fuck with us. This is our car. Come over here. Come sit next to me. Ripley will be right up there.
Let me try.
Yeah, come up right next to me. There's nothing. No, see? Boom.
We got room for Ripley right here.
Oh yeah, we got room for Ripley. We got a little tiny dinghy. What a steal. All right. We got a dinghy. We got a dinghy. Hell yeah. So stoked. This is our car. It's gotta be an 8-foot dinghy, not a 10-foot dinghy. She's gonna be light on the back of the boat too, so that's awesome. Alright, where can I plane off? She doesn't plane with just you and I.
She doesn't?
No, that's okay. Zoom, zoom. We got a dinghy, baby. With just me on it, it's fast. It's like, I can get it going.
It's gonna be mostly both of us though. Alright, get in here.
Alright, here's what we're gonna do. Coming in. The dinghy made it home.
Do I need to go up there and unhook those?
What?
What?
Rabbit?
Yeah.
Oh, we're in the water right now. I'm gonna get up there and try to figure out something about these rabbits.
You want to turn the engine off?
What? Oh. Cam is very stuffy. Okay. This way. You see it? Okay. Get it. Get it. Kitten, I need you to get it. Get it. Look. Get it. Scare it this way. Kitten, get it. Get it. She doesn't see it. Oh, she does. Oh, she's gonna get it.
Yes, kitten!
And she's out. Just like that. The teamwork wasn't there that time.